Hello, you're watching the first Microsoft Excel tips and tricks video. I'm just going to show you a few different things that are helpful for organizing your data, for making your spreadsheet look nice. There's just a few things that you can do to really make your presentation and your spreadsheet look professional. So I'm going to show you merge and center. I'm going to show you a few things about different formatting techniques and a few other things. So I hope it's helpful for you. So you see we've got 5 columns of data with a small data set here with 13 rows of data, 14 including the topics. And so what I want to do is, someone looking at this wouldn't really know what they're looking at. So I want to clarify it a little. So if you right click here on the number 1, you can click insert and it'll insert a row above it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say DEF company sales figures. So now we've got this cell completed, but what's the best way to center this across all 5 of these? Now, in the older Excels, particularly 2003, you have to manually do it, but in 2007 and 2010, if you highlight all 5 of these, there's a button here called Merge and Center. But if you click it, it just lands in the middle and really has a nice look to it. I also like to bold the items. It just makes it look a little more professional. And then the last thing I like to do, and this is, I think, particularly nice, is if you click on this, we're on in the Home tab in the ribbon, but if you click on this, they call it the border button. And if you click on it and click thick box border, you'll see that it gives it a nice thick box border, but I'm going to even take it one step further. I'm going to start adding those to these items as well. Now you might be wondering, how did you add those so quickly? And this is one of the best kept secrets of Microsoft Excel, is the F4 key. So because I just completed the action of coloring in my box with a thick box border, F4 repeats the last action that I did. So I just hit F4 on each of these and it colors it in with a thick black box. I'm going to show it to you again. So when I highlight everything, I'm going to hit F4 one more time, and you see now it's given a thick black box to everything. So let's give it now to all the items. We can even create it between rows. So it's a really professional way to break up your items, without just doing the standard generic all borders key. And it saves you some time. You can use the same thing with colors. So if you want to color code this stuff, you can hit this and then highlight F4. I'm hitting F4 here, and then highlight again F4. So it very quickly and easily gives you a nice looking differentiation between your data. So obviously we probably want to color the main piece. Let's increase the size a little bit. And so now we've taken this from an ugly just set of nondescript data to something that it explains what it is. It clearly delineates where each data set belongs and where each data set is, and it's just a easy, simple way to make your spreadsheet look nice. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you.